This tech tip will cover custom screen control objects in ATI's Vision software. Vision's custom screen control, also known as CSC, is a tool to craft accessible interfaces via scripts, facilitating seamless interaction and data retrieval within the Vision environment. CSC objects operate in two distinct modes: designer mode, unlocked, and user mode, locked, noted as power and standard users respectively. Unlocked mode grants power users access to the designer mode, facilitating the creation and configuration of CSC controls within the dedicated screen. In contrast, when the CSC is locked, the context menu becomes inaccessible, ensuring that all users can run the controls without the ability to modify or configure the CSC objects. User mode provides accessibility to any user to utilize the CSC crafted by the power user. These controls incorporate various action items such as buttons and checkboxes, enabling users to interact with scripts and retrieve data results effortlessly. Additionally, features like edit fields and selection list controls retain their inputs or selections between sessions, enhancing user experience. To create a CSC object, right-click within a screen object and select Add Control from the context menu, and then select Custom Screen Control from the Add Control Objects list. To toggle between locked and unlocked states, simply right-click on the CSC's title bar and select the respective action from the context menu. This empowers users with flexibility and control over their CSC configurations within the Vision environment. Enable designer mode by right-clicking on the CSC's title bar and selecting Unlocked from the context menu. The title bar in this example displays Custom Unlocked when the CSC object has been unlocked. When unlocked, an advanced context menu is available via right-clicking within the CSC object design area. Select a controller, noted by a green plus icon next to them. Please note, the button controller is the only controller that has the script configuration option available. This example will show how to set up a button to run a script and an output text to display its results. Select plus button from the advanced context menu. Select and drag button to the upper left corner of the CSC. Right-click on the inside of the button controller to open the context menu and select Script Configuration. In the Script Configuration, button 1, dialog, select Add twice under Callback ID, String. Adding 2 callback IDs are needed for the script being utilized in this example. Please note, the generated callback ID is associated with the callback function or event handler within the software's scripting environment. This allows the software to respond appropriately when the associated action is triggered. Choose Select File to navigate to the desired script file. Please note, while scripts aren't confined to Vision's COM API, they can inherit certain limitations. Also note, the user-defined area is grayed out for now. Select OK to close dialog. Select plus output text from the advanced context menu via clicking in the CSC object. Select and drag box to fill remainder of CSC below the previously created button. Right-click inside of the output text box to open the context menu and select Control Setting. Under Callback String Updates for output source number 1 and number 2, select None to the right. From the drop-down menu, select Button 1 Callback ID number 1 for both. Select OK to close dialog. Please note, reopening the script configuration, button 1, dialog in the user-defined field is now active and is populated by default since there is only one output text box. Select OK to close Script Configuration Button 1 dialog. Right-click in the title bar and select Lock. Go online with the project and select Caption button to run the script and view the results displayed in the output text controller. Please note, custom screen controls can be distributed to other users. Use Package Project under the File menu when viewing the device manager. When unpacked, the files required by the custom screen controls are organized into folders with the same name as the screen under the directory CSC. Within each screen folder hosting a CSC, you will find 3 directories. Background image. Any images used are stored here. Help files. Any text-based files used for the help buttons are stored here. Scripts. All scripts plus supported files are stored here.